and friends. I'd like to call our representative from Platinum on stage to answer questions about Platinum Alpha's features. Tawagan po natin si Miss Ruth Ann Bautista. Yes, ang ating Platinum Assistant Marketing Manager. Miss Ruth. Hi, Miss Ruth.
Vamos siya.
Yeah, sa deal po.
Oh, yan. Nandiyan na, oh, sir. Marketing manager. Oh, yun, meron pa isa. Si sexy girl.
Ako parang gumagano.
Okay, sino pa may question po na pwede po humarap yan. May break tayo. So, meron bang may tatanong? Yes? Sino?
Ano tawag nyo lang sa live ma'am?
Yan, nantayin lang na. Yes.
Ay, super rapid po.
Yes, request lang po daw na bumalik na sa ating tables. Then, later actually, we have a chance na mag-follow up. Yes, meron pong chance na mag-follow up. Yes, we're finding it. Thank you so much. Para makikita sa sila. Sa mga sa likod. Alright? Okay. Are we ready for some question and answers? Miss Judy, I'd like to ask. Miss Judy, who's our first up? Anyone?
Ako na nga lang.
Okay, okay. So yung mga girls na malapit. Okay. Sino?
Ako na lang.
Ano po? Ayan po. Ayan.
What's your mom?
Hello, employment
First question is, how was your experience with the Platinum Alpha mic and what do you think why it sets apart from the other karaoke in the market?
Tulad nga po sabi natin, talagang gawin na gawin po sa amin. Karaoke. And syempre, what sets apart is because ang dami niyang new features na wala yung ibang karaoke system. So, iba na siya ngayon. Talagang ang daming
Since nga po, like what I said a while ago, parang Platinum Karaoke Alpha Mic is made for people nowadays na talagang always on the go, lagi nasa labas. So it fits the lifestyle of the people that's using it now. Kasi may dala siyang sarili ng power system. You don't need to plug it in, you just have to charge it after using it. Tapos pwede niyo siya dalhin anywhere. It's not portable. So anywhere, kotse, sa labas, gusto niyo sa bed, sa kayo
isipin mo kung yung malapit,
it's apart because it's high-tech and it's really coping with what is the lifestyle of the people nowadays.
And lastly, this is not a question, it's an ambush request. My mother-in-law, the last time she had a very favorite actress was Susan Roses. And in May, of course, kayong dalawa, pero lang na lang kayo. Please give her, she's going to see the October 7. She doesn't know, I don't know if here. Please give my mother-in-law, Mama Esther Menjola. Mama Esther Menjola.
Hello po, Mama Esther! How are you? It's good to see you. God bless.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Alright, next question. Ladies and gentlemen. Ayan po, yes. Ano po pang ilang, sound system pa kailangan sa audio. Ano naman yung yes?
Pakita ko rin sa
kasi po akong figure na naman, like, ganyan na. Nagawin din natin po kami ng work. So, ito kasi karaoke, pag nasa parang naisip na rin siya. Hindi po yun rin siya to relieve stress and para mag-unwind, and at the same time, nag-enjoy. So, talagang go na kami. Set na agad, yung malaman ko na.
Yes, kasi po it's an honor para dati ng Karaoke is been here. How many years na po? 16 years, so it's a privilege to be part of the family as well. So,
embodies the Filipino culture. Like, for example, they're very family-oriented. Being one of Cali's area, they have been such a good example to fellow young Filipinos. So, apart from that, we really went to the next level to embodies that, you know, the culture of Filipino loving to sing and the bonding. And so was they love to sing along with their families. As I already mentioned before, gas yung kanila. So, pero it's not true pa, by the way. Pero lang po yun.
Who are your favorite international and local singers?
Well, the first solo artist kasi, not in particular, pero alam naman na lahat, kung sino paborito ko ng ano, parang old grade. Hindi na kailangan sabihin pa, pero yun. Local actually, wala masyado. Pero sa karaoke, kahit pagkakanta, makakanta talaga may ending.
Ako po, pag sa international, yung CL sila ko so.
Ah, yes!
Tapos sa local ko talaga, OBL Classic.
Ay, kaya po pala ako sa local, Alan Richard. Sorry, that's
Parang ano Next question.
May question po ba?
Next question.
Hi,
I'm Miranda. Question to Alden and me. How would you describe hey Alden, please describe me as, let's say, the platinum alpha. Yung characteristics niya. And also, me, how would you describe Alden as an alpha, platinum alpha?
Ako na. Kasi si May, like natin yung karaoke alpha mo. Napapanahon. Saka lahat ng nakaka-experience, makipakita yung talent ng microphone kasi nag-enjoy. So that's how I see the mic in relevance to this lady over here.
Ako ba? Kasi ito na next level na po yung talent pero so like Alden. Next natin natin. Oh, bakit? You should be proud, Alden.
Next question!
Ayun na! Sino ka yung tanong?
Sige na! Yun po na. Thank you.
Alright, now one more question.
Then, sa dami ng song sa karaoke, platinum karaoke, ano yung gusto mong kantahin natin yung gawin kay Alden?
Ano ba? Ikaw din eh. Dami kasi nakanta yung dapat yung sa amin talaga so parang hindi naman hindi ako. Ibang ang pagod.
Yung parang
Actually, yung pagkakala lang nila natin yung opening.
Sama, hindi mo na tayo simula, di ba? Parang hindi yung unang sa madilay ng first So, yun na lang.
Ano yung sila sa us? Kaya mo.
ano yung song?
Ha? Starships?
Starships.
Theme song. Yellow. Favorite ko yung yellow na song. Pero yung tayo kasi sa akin ko yan. Sa
Yes.
ano yung mga talaga. So,
Ano yan?
ang dami kasi kanta.
Dami po eh.
Kami ako sa amin.
Associated with madaming kanta na means a lot to us.
Yes.
So after 1 year, nag-level up na ba yung sa inyong dalawa?
Ang kita nyo naman po.
Nakita niyo ako 8 times.
Ano tayo yung singer mo?
Lagi.
Ayun lang.